Look something out inside and do better price in my shop. Don't worry, free for look. Where you from?
Philippines.
Give you good price now. If you do shopping with me, we do better price in my shop.
Do you have magnet?
Yeah, magnet is right here. Wait me there. All magnet. You choose which one you like.
No other design?
Huh? What design you like? Magnet, Bali. Bali, Pulau Bali. Yes, you choose. Bintang. Total. Yeah, good price.
How much?
20.
I'll check first others. I'll go back. If
Don't forget, yeah.
Yep.
Three. Cheap price for glass.
What is this?
For glass. You know glass? The coaster for glass. Don't forget you come back here.
Yeah.
You do good price. You remember?
Yes, yes.
Iba't ka lang Krishna. Yeah. Iba't ka lang Krishna. How about this one? Where are you from?
Philippines.
I have that. I have this. Kitchen I have.
How much? Magnet.
How many packet? Magnet. This one. How many? This good magnet. This one Bali temple. This I love Bali magnet. Good.
How much?
How many pieces you want? 10?
Yeah, 10 or 20.
Yeah, your price. How much you want? How much you want? How much you? How much you want to buy? How much you want to buy? I have 20 pieces.
Let me check.